Hello Bladers. Imagine this, it's almost midnight, you're driving on the road alone, and it's raining hard. In this scenario, it's close to impossible to drive without having a hard time. There's even a huge chance that you're driving in zero visibility, which most of us are unsure how to handle. So before that even takes place, better watch this video to find out what to do in a situation like this. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the things that you should do if you are driving in zero visibility. Number 1, headlights must be on low beam. There are two types of headlights, make sure that in this scenario you turn on the low beam ones. Since if you mistakenly turn on the high beam ones, they might reflect back the fog and give you an even harder time to see. Number 2, slow down. Don't drive too fast since the pavements are already very slippery and you already can't see anything. Also, take note that fog can give you a visual illusion that you're driving slowly when in fact you might actually be speeding. Number 3, listen if you cannot see. Remember the movie, Bird Box? Yes, the way they handled their scenario might be the same with you. If you can't see the situation, then try to listen. Put a bit of your window down to hear more clearly. Number 4, brake early. Remember that the car behind you is using your taillights to navigate. Always brake early to avoid collisions. Number 5, buckle up. Regardless of any situation, as long as you are driving, always put your seatbelt on. This also goes for all the passengers regardless if they are at the back. Number 6, stop on the side of the road. If you can, try to stop on the side of the road to let the rain pass. However, do this very cautiously. Signal first to let the other cars know what you are doing. Afterwards, turn on your hazard lights. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your suggestions? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.